Hello. This video is to demonstrate the functionality and capability of LTI's image to 2D seismic Petrel plugin. Plugin can be launched either from seismic interpretation or ribbon, and you click on this LTI menu and click on image to seismic 2D, or you can select it from input pane as well. Right click it and just select the image to seismic 2D. So this is the user interface of the plugin, and by default image it will be selected as image, and the image can be selected either by using file or folder, and the offline means we can select it from the physical file system. And this job number is to identify and process a set of records by grouping it all the images together to process it in one time. And I'm going to browse and select a few images. Okay, this upscale percentage is used to improve the quality of image, and we have tried a lot of algorithms. And finally, we chose the best algorithm resampling algorithm available that best suits the seismic images. And I can select multiple files by selecting on by one, and otherwise you can just select all the files, and just click on the OK button, and which will process the image and create a 2D seismic data. Okay, I'll quickly show you the inputs which we used for this plugin. Of course, the image itself. This is the image, and we don't require all this other information like plot information or the header information, which we don't require it to do interpretation. So right now what we are doing is based on a parameter file. We are just clipping these four corners of the image, and this is how the parameter file looks like, and this has four corner points, and this is the first corner point, and likewise the three other corner points which we are able to clip it. And this contains the short point, first and last short point, and as well as the Z value, depth information of the seismic data. And this is a group of images which contains a metadata. So this Excel contains the metadata, and this job number represents the Excel file name. And finally, this is the navigation information, and which is a SecP1 industry standard format, and which contains a seismic header and the location information to hang the seismic image to the navigation line. And it's almost done now. And during the process of converting this image to a seismic 2D dataset, we used to clip that image by using a parameter file, and we also do rotating if the image is tilted and if it is required. Plugin will reprocess the seismic image to create seismic dataset. We have analyzed and tested a lot of algorithms, and chosen one of the industry's best compression and seismic resampling algorithm, and which improves the overall quality and efficiency in processing the seismic dataset. I'll just open and show you the loaded 2D seismic data in Petrel, and this is the zoomed, one of the image zoomed, and you can see the wiggles, individual wiggles of the seismic sample recorded, and And if you see this is already intersected with each other. There are 4 lines are there. And when you do right click, go to the settings, you can see LTI seismic metadata tab, and which contains this seismic metadata, which we had seen this in the Excel file. And you can add another parameter as well, and you can save it along with this image. So each seismic data will have its own seismic metadata tab. And this concludes the demonstration, and thank you.